Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro to the application. In the previous video we install and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check a video at this channel. Now, to add these earbuds to the application, firstly we need to pair them with your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Then, at the top, click Pair New Device if you have Android, and now we need to open the charging case. If it's your first connection, your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, or if you perform a factory reset, these earbuds also enter to pairing mode automatically. But I need to enter pairing mode manually. To do this, at the bottom we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side start flashing white and red. Now let me press and hold. And right here we have it. Now we need to only tap at this earbuds in the device list, and then we can hide the settings. Open EDIFIER Connect application, and as you can see, it automatically adds these earbuds to the application. But you need to set up this application, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!